लर्न फ्रेंच चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है। चलो आज सीखते हैं कुछ फ्रेंच सेंटेंसेस। आज का टॉपिक है गोइंग टू द मार्केट। सो व्हेन वी गो टू मार्केट तो हम लोग वेंडर के साथ कैसे बात करते हैं, इसके लिए कुछ सेंटेंसेस। सो आई एम गोइंग टू द मार्केट और आई गो टू द मार्केट। Here this is present tense. So for I am going के लिए we use je vais. Here going is verb aller. So this is aller conjugation. Je vais au marché. Je vais au marché means market. Next, I need to buy vegetables and fruits. I need means j'ai besoin. To buy is acheter. Acheter is to buy. So I need to buy vegetables. Vegetables means legumes. And vegetables, this is plural. That's why we say des légumes. And they free. So j'ai besoin d'acheter des légumes et des fruits. Next, the market is very crowded today. So le marché is market. Le marché est, this is present tense. That's why le marché est très busy aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui means today. Next, how much are these apples? How much? How much means combien. Combien, combien means how much or how many. Now combien. So combien coûte. Here these apples are plural. That's why we use this plural form. Combien coûte, ent is always silent. Combien coûte ces pommes. Pomme means apples. I want a kilo of tomato. So tomato, this is plural. That's why we are using here they. So je veux un kilo de tomates. Je veux un kilo de tomates. Next, do you have fresh bread? So again this is question. So avez-vous du pain frais? Avez-vous du pain frais? Do you have fresh bread? Here we are using formal. Why we are using formal? Because vendor is unknown for you. So that's why we are using here formal language. If in formal language you are talking to your friend, that time what we use? Chua or Achu do pafre? Do you have fish bread? Next, I want to take 2 packets of milk. So I want is je veux. This is vulvar verb. Want to means vulvar. Here this is conjugation of vulvar. So je veux prawns. To take is infinitive verb means prendre is to take. Je veux prendre. Here two verbs comes together. That's why we conjugate first verb and second verb is infinitive. So je veux prendre the packet, the lay, the packet, the lay of milk. Next, the shopkeeper is very polite. So we know the shopkeeper is vendor or commerçant. Le commerçant est très poli. Le commerçant est très poli. Here, shopkeeper, we assume that he is masculine. That's why we take here le. Le is masculine singular. Le commerçant est très poli, polite. I forgot to bring my shopping bag. So j'ai oublié. I forgot. So this is passé composé, past tense. That's why j'ai oublié d'apporter. D'apporter is to bring. Apporter is to bring. So to bring, I forgot to bring. J'ai oublié d'apporter mon sac de course. Next, let's go home. Shopping is over. Let's go home. So allons à la maison maintenant. Then, thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.